Let's make garlic mashed potatoes. Here is what you will need. 1 big old potato, half a cup of milk of at least 2% grade, a little bit of butter, and garlic powder. Peel the potato. I hope I do not have to demonstrate all of this to you. Now slice into thin pieces, and I do mean thin. As this will help with both the boiling and then later on the mashing. Salting at this point is entirely optional, as you can flavor later. Salting for boiling temperature purposes is mostly a myth, as it barely raises that boiling point. The amount of salt you would need to raise the boiling point significantly would be unforgivable in terms of taste. Next, let's prepare the buttering. Will be enough. Season with a bit of garlic, and a splash of milk. Keep stirring with a wooden spoon until you see that you can break each slice with the slightest touch of the spoon. Point to turn off the heat and drain. Once drained, and start back on the buttering. Stir this constantly until you see it simmers and creates a foam. This will not take long. Once you have it foaming, that's when you add it to the potatoes and just mash. This is when the sogginess of the thin slices becomes an advantage, because they will help with the mashing, making your mashed potatoes more creamy. Notice how quickly this takes place. Jó étvágyat!